Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ricky. In my last video, we explored Kling AI's text-to-video feature. Today, I'm super excited to show you something even cooler: how to transform your static images into dynamic videos using Kling AI's image-to-video function. Trust me, you're gonna love this. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ricky, and I love exploring and sharing the latest AI tools to help make your creative process easier. Today, we're diving deep into Kling AI's image-to-video features. If you've watched my text-to-video tutorial, you'll feel right at home with some of these features. But trust me, there's so much more cool stuff to explore. Basic features you already know: prompt input system, creativity versus relevance slider, standard and professional modes, video length options. But here's where it gets really exciting: first frame, last frame magic. Ever wanted total control over how your video starts and ends? Well, now you can. Just upload 2 images, one for the start and one for the end, and watch Kling AI work its magic to create a smooth transition between them. Quick pro tip: make sure your start and end frames are fairly similar. If they're too different, you might get some choppy transitions. Think evolution, not revolution. Motion brush tool, my favorite feature. This is honestly mind-blowing, guys. Here's how it works. Upload any image. Use either the auto select tool or brush to pick your subject, add motion paths, input your movement prompts, hit generate, and boom! I'll show you exactly how to use this feature later in the video. Trust me, you're going to love it. All right, fam. Let's check out some amazing examples of what Kling AI can do. I'm about to blow your mind with these transformations. Example 1. Urban Pokemon Fantasy. Check this out. We're bringing Pokemon into the real world. Here's our prompt. The big Snorlax was lying in the middle of the road in New York as cars and pedestrians passed by. Look at that! A massive Snorlax just chilling in the middle of NYC. Notice how seamlessly it blends with the urban environment and how the cars and people react to its presence. This is the kind of content that goes viral, guys. Example 2. Mythical Adventure. Now, this one's epic. Here's what we typed. The monster carried the monk running in the waters. How insane is that? The way the dragon moves through the water, the monk's robes flowing. This is movie quality stuff, people. Example 3. Dynamic effects. For our last example, we're going simple but powerful. Flying dust and floating clothes. Look at those particle effects, the way clothes move in the wind. This is perfect for music videos or dramatic scenes. All right, now let's get into the juicy stuff. My top tips for getting the best results with Kling AI. 1. Keep it simple. Guys, I can't stress this enough. Simple words and sentences work way better. You don't need to write a novel in your prompts. 2. Physics is your friend. Remember, we want realistic movement. If your character is jumping, they need to come down. Kling AI works best when movements follow natural physics. 3. Match your descriptions. Here's a big one. Make sure your prompts match your image. Don't tell Kling AI to make a cat fly if your image shows a sitting cat. Keep it real. 4. Current limitations. Quick heads up, super detailed physical movements can be tricky right now. Think about broad movements rather than intricate actions. 5. No watermarks, please. Trust me on these one-watermarked images will mess up your results. Clean images equals better videos. 6. Watch out for paintings. See this? Oil paintings tend to generate static videos. Now, let me share my secret sauce for perfect prompts. Here's what I call the motion control formula. Prompt equals subject yaoan movement, yaoan background, yaoan movement. Let's break it down. Subject: your main character, object, movement, how you want it to move. Background: your scene elements, background movement, how the environment flows. For example, instead of just writing dog running, write golden retriever subject sprinting playfully movement through autumn forest background, with leaves swirling in the wind background movement. See the difference? Write your prompts using this formula, and you'll see much better results. Unlike text to video, where we need to describe everything, image to video is different. Why? Because we already have the scene. The magic happens when we focus on 2 key elements: the subject, what's in your image, the motion, what you want it to do. Got multiple subjects? No problem. Just list them one by one. Let me show you a perfect example. The Mona Lisa example, bad prompt. Put on sunglasses. See how confused Kling AI gets? It might just pan across the painting because it thinks it's in an art gallery. Good prompt. Mona Lisa puts on sunglasses with her hand. Now we're talking. See the difference? Even better prompt. Mona Lisa puts on sunglasses with her hand, and a ray of light appears in the background. Boom! Multiple elements, clear instructions, amazing results. Pro tip. When Kling AI sees a framed photo or painting, it might default to camera movements like you're in a gallery. That's why being specific about your subject and motion is so important. Alright fam, now we're getting to the really exciting part, the motion brush tool. This is where Kling AI takes things to a whole new level. What makes motion brush special? This tool gives you precise control over how things move in your video. Let me show you exactly what you can do. Time for some mind-blowing examples using the motion brush. Example 1. Pokemon in action. Check this out. We're making Squirtle skateboards, and the people and scenery in the background constantly recede. Look how natural that movement is. Example 2. Multi-subject magic. Now here's where it gets crazy. We're controlling multiple subjects at once. Watch how we make the man, car, and dog move in different directions. Example 3. The monk's reach. First, we input our prompt, then add specific motion paths to create this beautiful scene of the monk reaching for the lotus flower. Now, let me share some game-changing tips that'll take your videos to the next level. Pro motion brush tips. Prompt power. Always add prompts that match your motion paths. Like this, demonstrates with dog example. If your dog is running, say dog running on the paths. Simple but effective. 2. Strategic selection. Here's a ninja trick. Only select the key parts. Shows example selecting just an animal's head. Trez. Camera control. Don't want camera shake? Add a static brush at the bottom of your image. Selection tips that actually work. Rule, one brush, one element. Don't try to control multiple things with one brush. Rule 2. Connected areas. Keep your selections connected. Rule 3. Static brush mat. You can select multiple areas with static brush, but keep them. Path creation. Pay attention to your curve direction and length. The starting point is where your subject is.
All right, that's how you can create amazing videos from your images using Kling AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to see more AI tutorials. Let me know what kind of videos you're planning to create. I'd love to see what you come up with.